Performance Unlimited, the innovator of inlaid signage technology, is pleased to present Performance Signage. Never before has there been a signage product that combines a substrate and graphic that are UV stable, waterproof, and non-porous. The days of fading and failing signs are over. Sign maintenance is now a thing of the past. The future of permanent signage is here. Performance Unlimited manufactures performance signage in their 30,000 square foot facility located just outside Cincinnati, Ohio. Performance Unlimited is the only sign manufacturer recognized by DuPont, the manufacturer of Corian. The sign images are etched into Corian using large CNC machines. Then, to finish the graphics, the substrate is inlaid using Performance Unlimited's proprietary technique. The result is a sign substrate and graphic that will literally last forever. Zero maintenance, zero replacement cost. Let's meet the talented team that manufactures and designs performance signage.
My name's Chris Congdon. I'm co-owner of Performance Unlimited. I'm a guy that makes stuff. That's what I'm good at. We've been manufacturing Corian countertops for the past 20 plus years. About 7 years ago, I got very involved with inlaying graphics into Corian. That's kind of what got the whole performance signage thing started. After years of working with Corian, I realized that it had the ability to withstand elements that would never ever present themselves in the kitchen and bath industry. By this I mean its UV stability, its non-porosity. I began to leverage its inherent properties to go far and above what it's ever been used for. That's when I got involved in performance signage. I'm sure everyone's seen a sandblasted redwood or foam sign. What will happen is when you get a lot of rain, the wood is a sponge. It wicks the moisture. Now, the next day you get into a freeze, the water expands, creating a crack in the substrate. Now, once the crack is created, the water penetrates, now the paint begins to peel, chip. It's ruined, it's gone. Non-porous, waterproof, freeze, thaw, stable. This will never, ever, ever happen to an inlaid Corian sign. The benefit of an inlaid Corian sign is Corian by nature is completely UV stable, non-porous, and waterproof. We've mirrored that with the graphics. Our graphics hold the same property as the Corian substrate. We've done a lot of work in the zoos. Now, the zoos are known to have a lot of birds on display. It's not the birds on display that are the problem, it's the birds in the marketplace. Bird droppings are very acidic. When a bird does what a bird does on a wood, foam, or stone, even a stone sign, it does permanent damage. Again, stone, wood, foam are all porous materials. They will stain, irreparable staining. Corian is completely non-porous. So are the graphics. Bird dropping, spray paint, magic marker has zero effect on the inlaid Corian signage.
Most people don't realize that a sign is the best value in advertising. For the dollars you spend on a sign, there's nothing comparable for the exposure that you get with it. A nice sign, a well-designed sign, a sign that communicates your message. And I think what the Corian offers is the longevity. Other signs that we've done in different price ranges, 3 to 5 years, you're replacing the signage. So as a comparison, an inlaid sign is hardly any more than a sandblasted sign, and you're going to get 10 times the life out of it. You've got vinyl signage and digital signage that's like a 2 to 3 year item. Sandblasted signs, the paint's going to fade in 5 years. You can do granite and stone signs, but they're still going to fail. The great thing about Corian is it's just never going to fail. It's going to look as good in 10 years as it does today.
Working with performance signage is as easy as saying, I have an idea. I have a concept. We can take you from concept to installation without a glitch. You can have approved art, you can have no art. We have complete design, in-house design, complete digital imagery, to where communication is all done via electronic mail. And the passion that I have is about this product's life cycle. This stuff really is that good. It will last forever. When you think about zero maintenance cost, zero replacement cost, that's huge. Life cycle, life cycle, life cycle. This stuff truly does last forever with zero maintenance cost.
As you can see, the creators of performance signage are passionate about their work and their product. The truth is, their customers are even more excited about the prospect of permanent no-maintenance signage.